Fuck them hoes. Pull away 1 minute.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and section our hair off to whatever side we want it on. Then after that, we're gonna make sure our part is straight, brush it, detangle it, and do whatever it is that you need to be done. And I'm just making sure that that's where I want my ponytail or my part to be. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eco Styling Gel. I got this one from my local beauty supply store. It was $1.59. So check your local beauty supply store. Now I'm just making sure and adjusting to my camera. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my part is straight, and then I'm gonna put that Eco Styling Gel in my hair, distribute that throughout my hair evenly, and I'm gonna go ahead and mold my hair and start forming my ponytail. And I will be using 2 different ponytail holders. So right now I'm just trying to get it trained to go right there, and now I'm going over it with some edge control, and I'm going to use my edge control brush. And okay, so now we just getting our edges out the way. That's not how I'm going to leave them. I'll fix them once I come back. So I'm using the edge control to actually like lay the hair down more, and I'll just lay it down, brush it, lay it down, brush it, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Free spray to help lay down as well. But as you guys can see, I'm still going in with my edge control, and then I'm going to create a tighter and newer ponytail. And once I go ahead and create a tighter, newer ponytail, then I'll go ahead and tie my hair down and go do whatever I need to do until I'm ready to put my dang on ponytail on. Y'all, I'm not used to doing this voiceover thing, so please just bear with me. And yeah, that's it. Okay, once you're done getting dressed or whatever it is that you did, and as you guys can see, I did my makeup. Now it's time to go ahead and take that hair scarf off, and I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing to take my hair scarf off, so I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf off whenever I can get it damn off. And once I get it off, I'm going to look at my hair, then I'm going to go back in with my edge control to, you know, put things that need to be fixed before I put my ponytail on. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so right here I'm still fixing my edges with some of that edge control. I told you guys in the last clip that I wasn't done with my edges. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix them, and then I'll brush them down or whatever. I just want everything to, you know, lay. I know my hair is not going to lay down like it's relaxed or anything, but hey, I'm doing the best that I can. And now I'm going to go ahead and brush my edges. I don't really do all that swooping, all that fancy stuff. I don't know. That's just not me. I mean, it's cute or whatever, but I don't really do all that. And I was talking. Somebody else on the phone, and I'll just go on sideburns or whatever. Now this is my drawstring ponytail, and I'm going to go ahead and clip it on. Now I do have 2 clips, one at the top and one at the bottom with the drawstring. So I just put the clamps in, and I pulled it, and I secured it with the latch, as you guys can see, pull. And I'm going to secure it, and now I'm just going to wrap that and thing around, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath the back part of my hair to hide it. So now you can't go out like that, so just take a piece of the hair from the back, you see, you get some hair from the back, and wrap it around your ponytail to secure it and to make it look more natural or whatever. So once you go ahead and you wrap that piece around, and you may want to get you a bobby pin or something to secure that piece of hair so it won't be sticking out or poking out. So just go ahead and get that wrapped around and find you a bobby pin, and then you're good to go. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look of my sleek low ponytail.